birthday, dear Sukhu. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you with the best of health and the best of happiness. Take care. Happy birthday once again. Bye. Dear Sukhu, in this journey of long life, I'm really feeling blessed to have you as my life partner. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being with me all the time. God bless you. Take care. Bye.
Hello, Daddy. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with very nice health and always take care of you. Daddy, you have always been a pillar of support for me, and please keep showering your blessings always and always share and tell me the right part to be taken. Thank you, Daddy, and wishing you once again a very happy birthday.
Dearest Papa, happy birthday to you. Papa, God knew exactly what I needed, so He chose you to be my dad. Your smile melts away all my worries, and your wise words give me peace. Thank you very much, Papa, for teaching me to always smile no matter what life throws at me. I have surely learned that from you. I am forever thankful to God for blessing me with your loving care, and I am grateful for all the sacrifices that you have made for us. On your 78th birthday, Papa, I wish you great health, peace, and happiness. I miss you a lot, and I wish I could be there with you to cut the cake that I baked for you. I hope you like the cake. Take care, Papa, and happy birthday once again. Have a nice day.
Dear Papa, wishing you a very very happy and rocking 78th birthday. On this day, I would like to thank you for being a wonderful father, mentor and advisor. Have a great day and have a great time ahead.
We
Thank
miss
you.
you, Papa.
We miss you. And last but not the least, our hello and warm regards to everyone watching and not watching this video.
Bye. Take care.
सुखदेव जी नमस्ते। आप तो हमारे ही हो। दुनिया में सबसे अच्छी व्यक्ति को 78 की जन्मदिन की बधाई। आपका स्वास्थ्य खुशी की कामना करती हूँ। आप सदा स्वस्थ और कुशल रहे, वो ही हम सभी की ईश्वर की प्रार्थना। ऑल गुड विशेष ऑन द ग्रेट डे।
आई सुखदेव भाई, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। और इस खास दिन के ऊपर आपकी 78th सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आपको आपकी सेहत के हिसाब से और आपके परिवारजनों के सेहत के हिसाब से आने वाला वक्त आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा पुरवार हो, यही शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello uncle, how are you? Wish you a very very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. Uncle, wish you many,
Uncle,
many happy returns of the day. Take care, stay safe, keep well, and all the best. And say hi to Ashanti
Ashanti,
and Gresha as well.
Aarti,
Aarti,
Kartik, everybody. Stay well, stay safe. All the best wishes.
take care.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Uncle.
Shall we sing happy birthday? Subin, I've started recording.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hip hip hooray!
Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday,
Say Sukhdev uncle.
Uncle!
Uncle.
Uncle.
Thank you.
Happy birthday,
I want-
uncle.
Hi to Ashanti.
Hi to Ashanti.
I want to meet you.
Oh, that's nice.
so
Maybe
nice.
we can
We
see
will hopefully once Corona is over.
once Corona is over. Okay,
Okay,
bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sukhdev uncle. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you. God give you good health and happiness. Take care of your health.
Happy birthday, Uncle!
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Sending you lots of warm wishes, hugs, and love for your birthday on the 18th of September. We truly wish that you have a wonderful day with everyone and have a great year ahead.
Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday.
Take care, Uncle. Lots of love. Stay happy. Stay well. Bye.
Bye!
Hi, Chacha. I just wanted to send you my regards and my very good wishes on your birthday. It's unfortunate that we're separated so much by distance and time, but just want you to know that I think of you often. And on this special day, I just want to wish you good health and peace of mind. And the same from Nirja, Ishanveer, and Inika here. So God bless, and hope we'll get to meet soon once this madness of the pandemic ends. Bye now.
हेलो चाचा, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. आई होप कि आप सब ठीक हो एंड विश यू गुड हेल्थ एंड आई होप कि हम कभी जल्दी मिल सके. बहुत साल हो गए, अब ये पता भी नहीं कि कब ये हमारा मिलना होगा, बट तब तक के लिए लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड गुड हेल्थ एंड विशेस टू यू. And guess who wants to wish you also?
हेलो नाना चाचा, विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. मैं तो बहुत छोटा था, पर मैं अभी भी याद करता हूँ कैसे हम कैलकाटा में साथ में घूमते थे, और बहुत आई होप कि हम फिर से जल्दी कभी मिल पाए कहीं पे. एंड विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
That was Kabir, and Mayank यहाँ पे नहीं है, otherwise he would have also joined us in wishing you. But our love and our wishes are always with you.
Happy birthday. शायद से जो ख्याल रखे थे.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Uncle. May God bless you. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Uncle. wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with a good health. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, uncle, and have a nice day.
Hi uncle, happy birthday. May God bless you. May all your wishes come true. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Mama. Wish you a happy birthday. Wishing you happy and prosperous life.
Hello, Mama. Wishing you very, very happy birthday. May you have all the happy days and joy in the world. This is your special day. Please enjoy it with your family and friends.
Hello Suku Mama, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day and have a very long and a happy life ahead of you. Happy birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर अंकल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Suku, happy birthday.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, uncle. God bless you. Happy birthday, ba. Happy birthday, ba. Happy birthday.
Hello uncle, how are you? Hope so, everyone is fine. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you with good health, wealth and prosperity.
Happy birthday to Suku.
Many happy returns of the day, Sukuba.
Suku uncle, wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day, Sukhu Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Wish you a long, healthy life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Suku Mama. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Suku Mama from Kansas, USA.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Best wishes from all of us. Take care. God bless.
Happy birthday, uncle. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Suku uncle. Happy birthday, Suku mama. Happy birthday, uncle.
हेलो भैया, विशिंग यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. और कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आज आपका बर्थडे है. हम आपको हमेशा याद रखते हैं. दो वी हैव मेट सो लिटिल इन लाइफ, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ गुड फीलिंग, feel good feel every time we meet, and it makes us so happy to meet you all. आप हो, भाभी हो, आरती हो, सबके साथ इतना बॉन्डिंग है. We wish it to continue and wish you a very healthy and happy life.
Happy birthday, भैया.
Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day and
Enjoy
time.
your day and time ahead.
God bless. Take care.
सभु वाटिया तव्हांखे जन्मदिन जो लख वाधायूं. ईश्वर जा इहा ई प्रार्थना आहे त तव्हांखे हमेशह लाइ सुठी सिहत ॾिए. थैंक यू.
Many happy returns of the day.
Sukhdev uncle, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Mr. Sukhu Bhatia, happy birthday to you.
Sukhu, many years of togetherness, good and sound memories have always made us connected. Your daughter Aarti has reminded me about your birthday falling on 18th September. I wish you a very happy birthday with good health and blessing from Almighty for you and Asha. Yours, Chattu.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhatia Saab. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you.
May the good God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Bhatia Saab. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday, dear Bhatia Saab. Happy birthday to you. Dear Bhatia Saab, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Mr. Bhatia. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
We are so happy and lucky to have you as our best neighbor ever. And I never seen such a nice gentleman like you in my life. We always wish you all the best in your life. Have a happy and healthy life always. All the best.
Hope you have a good year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sukhu uncle.
Happy birthday, Sukhu.
Happy 78th birthday, Sukhu uncle. May you have many, many happier ones to follow. Have a nice day. Best regards.
Many happy returns of the day, Sukhu uncle. It's been a very, very great time with you for all these years. May you have a great time and more birthdays, celebrations in the coming years. Our best wishes.
Hello, Sukhu uncle. Many, many happy returns of the day. May you have a great birthday. And I remember all the good times we've had with you. मम्मी दादा के टाइम से, बचपन से आपके साथ जो enjoy किया है और आपका cool nature, शांत एकदम. It's like a great remembrance to us, all of us. Wish you a great birthday once again. Have a great life.
Happy 75th birthday, Uncle, from all of us.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
बहुत अच्छा दिन होगा. Nice treat.
Nice treat. चलो.
Happy birthday, Sukhu uncle. Please cut a vada pav instead of a cake this time.
Very happy birthday, Jija. Wish you health, wealth and happiness always and hope to see you in Delhi soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Uncle.
Sukhu Uncle. Wish you all the health and happiness in the world. Proud to be your family.
Happy birthday.
Sukhu Jija.
Happy birthday, Bhai Sahab. Wish you good health, long life.
And happiness in your life.
Happy birthday, Sukhu Jija. Wishing you good health and happiness always.
All the best. Good luck.
Good luck, Jija.
Happy birthday, Sukhu uncle.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sukhu Jija. You have always been a simple gentleman and matured like super wine. Enjoy your maturity. Stay young always. Enjoy.
Today is a special day, it's your birthday. So blow out the candles and make a wish, 'cause it may well come true. Happy birthday to you, Heather.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday,
happy birthday to you. Another big year is finally here. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Another big year is finally here. Happy birthday to you.